To nedeljo ob 17:55 bo na drugem programu TV Slovenija premierno predvajan dokumentarni film Dolina, ki ga je posnela ekipa našega mariborskega, seveda, RTV centra, govori pa o 217 kilometrov dolgem ultramaratonu.
No, ta ista ekipa je v Kaliforniji posnela še intervju z zvezdnikom ultramaratonom, Deanom oziroma Deanom Karnazesom. Poglejmo reportažo.
Za intervju nas je Deanom Karnazes povabil na svoj dom blizu San Francisca. Nekoč je živel v velemestu, zdaj pa ga tudi tekaško bolj mamijo zelena prostranstva.
There's a saying, it's always best in your own backyard, so you can probably get a glimpse of some of my backyard, but those are the trails I like to run on. I don't own a car. I haven't owned a car in over 10 years. Which makes me run everywhere. So I run from my house up to the top of the mountain. I like to go down to the beach, which is on the other side, and go for a swim, and then come back over the mountain.
Vzdržljivostni tek zahteva disciplino in celega človeka, pravi Karnazes, prinaša pa globlja spoznanja.
The oracle at Delphi in Greece said, know thyself as a primary truth. So know thyself. And how do you get to learn who you are? How do you learn about thyself? It's only through pushing and only through going outside of your comfort zone. You don't learn about yourself going to work every day, watching TV, surfing the internet. That's not how you learn about yourself. You push yourself physically and mentally, and you learn who you are. You learn honestly and truthfully who you are when you run an ultramarathon. And once that happens, you become a different person.
Karnazes teče od otroštva. Leta 2002 je na Antarktiki pri -25 stopinjah Celzija pretekel maraton. 2004 zmagal na preizkušnji po dolini smrti. Leto kasneje je brez počitka opravil s 560 kilometri po Združenih državah. 2006 pa je v 50 zaporednih dneh opravil s 50 maratoni.
I have to say, I lost a lot of friends when I started ultramarathoning because they just couldn't relate to what I was doing, but I gained new friends. I've seen ultra running destroy relationships, destroy families, and I've seen ultra running bring families closer together. Ultra running has brought my family incredibly close together. I mean, all of them have traveled around the world with me. My kids have been on, I think, 5 continents since the day they were born. So, although they're not ultra runners, they see the lifestyle and they see the joy it brings to me, and I think that's most important.
And your kids, they run too?
My kids run. They don't like to compete. My son Nicholas has run an ultra marathon, and my daughter has run a half marathon. So they like to run by themselves, just for the personal freedom it brings you.
Karnazes pravi, da nikoli ni bil najhitrejši tekač, le najdaljše razdalje je zmogel. Z njimi naj bi opravil tudi zaradi sposobnosti njegovega organizma, da pri naporih ne kopiči mlečne kisline. Sam to pripisuje grškemu poreklu.
There's a saying in America for good luck, you knock on wood. So knock on wood. I've never had an injury, never. And 3 decades of ultramarathon. I mean, I've lost toenails, which every ultramarathoner loses toenails, but never had an overuse injury, never had a running-related injury. But I also conduct my life through the lens of trying to be the best animal I can be. So everything I do is through that filter. What's a better way to eat? What's a better way to cross-train? What's a better way to sleep? How do you maximize your performance in everything you do? So I don't make compromises. I eat very strict diet. I'm very disciplined about my workouts. I love it, but I never miss a workout day. I never have cheat days. There's no easy day. There's no compromises. I never say, today I don't feel like doing it, I'm not going to do it. I force myself to do it when I don't feel like doing it.
Med ultramaratonci ni tekača, ki ne bi prebral vsaj ene njegove knjige. Prva, Ultramaratonec, je svetovna uspešnica, prevedena tudi v slovenščino. V zadnji raziskuje izvor in zgodovino vzdržljivostnega teka.
Ultramarathoning is a journey. Even when I've won races, it's just it's a step along this journey, and there is no finish. I mean, I say my finish line is my grave. It's the same with writing. It's, you know, writing is 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration. It's more hard work than anything else, and I like the discipline of it. I like the focusing on, you have to write this word right, you have to write this sentence right, and shredding it up, do it again. It's the pursuit of pain, I guess. It's something I love.